What's up, y'all? J-Raw right here. I appreciate y'all coming back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about what I think is an exciting topic, airdrops. You know what I mean? Who doesn't like airdrops? It's going to be very time sensitive, so we want to get on top of it quick. And the project we're going to be talking about is called zkSync. It's a layer 2 scaling solution on Ethereum. And basically, it's how you're going to be able to position yourself to benefit from an airdrop if it happens, which a lot of people are talking about. It's going to happen very, very soon. So, and real quick, I've never done this before, but I might have to start doing it. But if you're new here, I'd appreciate you if you hit that follow, subscribe, hit the bell, get all the notifications when my videos come out, and you'll get all the latest stuff that I drop. A lot of creative stuff, making music, just I try to have fun with the channel. But I do want to start talking about, AI stuff, a lot of crypto stuff happening, and that side of things as well. So let's check it out. zkSync is a layer 2 scaling solution designed to help Ethereum overcome its limitations in terms of speed and transaction cost. It uses cutting-edge zero-knowledge proofs to provide faster and cheaper transactions while maintaining the security of the Ethereum network. Alright, so now you might be wondering how you could position yourself to benefit from a potential zkSync airdrop. Alright, so check it out. I got it broken up into 8 different steps. Step 1, you need to get Ethereum into a crypto wallet. I use MetaMask, so I'm gonna make sure I have Ethereum in my MetaMask. And also, I'd suggest about $20 to $50. You can do more if you like. Maybe there's bigger rewards if you do more. I'm not sure, but just for the sake of this, if you don't have too much, you can do anywhere from $20 to $50. Step 2, sign into zkSync Lite. Click top up and transfer Ethereum from your initial wallet into your zkSync wallet. Step 3, we're going to go back to the top up page and find on the bottom Orbitor. It's going to be a bridge in which we're going to take the Ethereum from our zkSync Lite wallet into the new zkSync ERA wallet. Step 4, we're going to go back to that top up page and find ZigZag on the bottom, and we're going to complete a few trades on that exchange. Then we're going to go back to the zkSync website and we're going to mint an NFT on there. Step 5, we're going to get some Goerli ETH from a faucet to use on the zkSync ERA Testnet. And Goerli ETH basically is fake Ethereum. It's the Testnet Ethereum, monopoly money. We're not using real money. Testnet is fake. Step 6, we're going to exchange that Goerli ETH, that fake Ethereum, for zkSync ERA Testnet Ethereum. So we're just putting it from one fake thing to another, but this is just so we could do transactions on the test network. Step 7, I'm going to have a list in the description of these testnet apps built on zkSync to explore and test using the zkSync Testnet Ethereum. So just doing transactions and seeing how these apps and just basic transactions work using the zkSync Testnet Ethereum. And finally, it's going to be step 8. I'm going to leave this also in the description below. There's going to be a link to this Crew3 zkSync page, and you're just going to complete the task that it asks you to do. You're going to have to connect your Twitter with your crypto wallet as well with your Discord, and once they're all three synced together and you complete these tasks, you're going to get certain roles in their Discord, and it's going to show that you went through this process and you did it. Alright, and now real quick, for all you visual learners out there like me, I'm just going to show y'all what it looks like to go through this process real quick. I'm not going to do the whole thing in detail. We're just going to kind of skim over it so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so to complete step 1, we're going to need to get money into a MetaMask. I'm using MetaMask, so for this example, I'm just going to say MetaMask. We need to get money from the exchange into the crypto wallet, into my MetaMask wallet. So for me, I use Coinbase. I use a couple different ones, but you can use Coinbase. Once you sign up and all that, you're going to go to trade. And you're going to make a trade for some Ethereum. I'm not going to do the whole process, but you know what I mean? You're just going to buy some Ethereum. And once you do that, you click send and receive. You're going to send it to your crypto address. Then once you send that over, in a few minutes, you should have money in your MetaMask or whatever crypto wallet you're using. So I've already done this process and I've used up my ETH, but let's just pretend this is $300, you know what I mean? We're going to go to the zkSync Lite website, which I'll have in the description below. But once you're here, you're going to see this page. We're going to sign in with the Ethereum wallet, MetaMask connected, and it might have you sign a couple things and approve. Just go ahead and do that and you're going to be in. If you don't have any money in here, it's not going to show this whole bottom part. You're just going to see top up. We're going to click top up. And now we're going to click the zkSync Lite. And so this is going to be step number 2. We're going to add the amount. Say you put $50. We need to put a little less because it's going to take a fee from the transaction, from the gas fee. So if you put 50, just maybe transfer over 40. And once that transaction is done and you got your Ethereum and your zkSync wallet, we're going to go to step 3. which is going down to Orbiter. All right, so now we want to send half of what we have from Lite to the ERA. Then we'll go ahead and click send. This process of bridging to the zkSync ERA wallet is going to take 24 hours, sometimes a little longer, but about 24 hours. So we don't have to worry about this step. Once you do this, you're good. Now we go to step 4, we come back to this top-up page and we go to ZigZag. This is going to be an exchange in which we're going to make a couple trades on. So we're going to come here to the trade tab, we're going to connect our wallet, and once the wallet's connected, up here you want to make sure it's on zkSync Lite and not Arbitrum. We want to make sure it's going through the zkSync Lite wallet or network. Alright, now we're ready to go, so we're going to come right here to the left side, and right now it's on Ethereum to USDC. You have a whole list of different things right here, but since we have Ethereum, we'll start off with Ethereum and USDC. You're going to want to click sell and just execute a trade, and you can trade it right back into Ethereum. Now it's going to show you down over here the fee per transaction is going to be 22 cents. So if you say we buy a little bit of USDC and then we sell that USDC back into Ethereum, it's going to be 44 cents for the 2 transactions. And so that fluctuates up and down depending on the activity. Sometimes you can wait. I've seen it down to like 10 cents and I've seen it up to about 40, 50 cents. So you could just, if you don't want to spend a lot on transactions, just wait until you see it lower to do it. But we're going to do that a few times, and you're going to do that not just with USDC and ETH, but buy some USDC, then use that USDC to buy something else, and use that something else to buy back ETH. You know what I mean? Just play around with the exchange. You don't have to do any crazy trades, any big trades. Just test it out and play with it. But this is real money you're playing with right here, so be cautious. Alright, now we need to do just one more thing right here on the zkSync Lite page. We're going to come up to NFTs, and what we're going to do is mint an NFT. This part's a little tricky, but super simple to get around. We're going to need a CID or a content ID. I believe that's what it is. And to get that, they gave a list of apps they suggest to use. And I got this one right here, IPFS. Whatever the full name of this is. I'll probably put the link in the description. But basically, just come down to the file section, drag and drop, and right here, you're going to do copy CID. This whole string is the CID, the content ID. And once you have that, you go ahead and enter it into this section and then authorize to mint NFT. And you go ahead and complete this process. And right now it shows it's only 25 cents to mint an NFT. So I might do this a few more times just to put a couple more NFTs on there. But once you do that, cool, we'll move on. Alright, so now we're basically done with spending actual money, and we're going to go over to the testnet and start playing with fake money. And the reason why we're going to want to do this is because we're helping them get kinks out of their system using their testnet, and also we're helping them, have active users on their testnet and on their platform just in general, that if they see the active users who are they're early active users, we might get rewarded with an airdrop. So it's all about trying to position ourselves while, benefiting ourselves while helping them as well. Alright, so once you click on the link for the faucet, you go ahead and sign into your MetaMask. And once you're signed in, it might not let you request funds. That's because you're on the mainnet. We need to go down here and click testnet. Now we could click request funds, but we got to make sure that it's connected to our Twitter, because we're going to have to send out a tweet, and I'll show you right now. So basically, once you request funds, it's going to make you send out a tweet like this with your address. Basically, once they see that, they're going to send you the Goerli, the fake Ethereum and fake money to play with. And there's a few different places you could get Ethereum from faucets like this. Goerli fake Ethereum to play with on testnets. I'll probably throw them down in the description below if I remember. But once we do that and we got the Goerli Ethereum and the testnet, the fake money, we're going to want to come over here to bridge. Click bridge, and since we're on the testnet down here, this is the Goerli, this is the fake money. This is not my real Ethereum, this is my fake Ethereum I have. And so we're gonna want to take that Ethereum Goerli, or however you say that, and send that into zkSync ERA Testnet Ethereum. And the reason why we just did that is because on this page right here, there's a whole list of zkSync ERA Testnet applications that we could go on and use that fake money with now. So we scroll down, we can see a list of different applications. And so I'm just going to show you 2 really quick. You can go ahead and use them, and then we're going to move on to the last step and wrap it up. So the 2 that I found easy to mess around with, come down here and you see on-chain trade. You hover over it, click open, and then click the link. Then once you're up here, if your wallet's connected to a different network, it will say switch network, and it's going to put you to the right one we need to be on, which is zkSync ERA Testnet. Now once you're here, it's all about just playing around now because it's fake money. So you can click on pools. Now you can add to different liquidity pools and play around with it. So if I want to click add, I can go ahead and add a different percentage that I want into this liquidity pool of Ethereum, fake Ethereum that I have in this account. And once you do that, go ahead, accept the transactions, approve it. If you don't have enough, it will say insufficient funds. But just aim small, just do small little transactions so you don't waste all your fake money. You can always request more, but you don't want to run out of it too quick. So you can go ahead and add to the Ethereum pool. You can come over here to the trade section. You can even trade some Ethereum into USDC. Of course, remember, this is the testnet. It's all fake money. So you could go ahead and do that, get some USDC, and come back to the pool section, add some liquidity to the USDC pool, and just little things like that. So you got on-chain trade right here to play around with. Now we come back to the list and we come down to Sync Swap. We open that. Once you sign into your wallet, go ahead and make sure that you're on the ERA Testnet. And so this is like Pancake Swap, Uniswap. It's just like a different type of swap. It's Sync Swap. So go ahead and swap some Ethereum that you have, Goerli, fake Ethereum, for any coins that they have on this platform, and just make a trade, make a swap, play around with it, do that a few times, and basically you're just creating transactions and showing that you're an active user on their platform. And like I said, it's all about positioning to try to get this airdrop. At the same time, we're helping them make sure everything runs well on their network. Alright, now step 8, the last thing I'm going to show y'all is the Crew3.xyz zkSync page. Basically, you come over here, you connect your wallet, and once you connect your wallet, I'm pretty sure it's going to have you connect your Discord as well as your Twitter. It's going to connect all three of them together. And basically, once you complete all these tasks, it's going to show in the Discord. You're going to get a certain role, and it's going to show that you've completed the task and you went through this process right here. Couple community questions, a few things to make sure you know about the security so you don't mess up and get scammed. Just a couple little Twitter shout outs. And just a few other things you do really quick, and it's gonna help them notice you just a little bit more because you're gonna have a certain role in the Discord. And yeah, that's basically it. Those are the 8 different steps that we want to try to do to position ourselves in this airdrop. There's a few other people, there's a bunch of other people right now making videos on this. Each person has their own little things that they're doing. I just watched a bunch of different ones and took the things that I like, but go ahead and check other people out. Maybe they have a few little tricks that they're doing to position themselves a little bit better. I don't know, but shoot, that's what I got. So that's it. That's all. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, I hope you click that subscribe, and I'll see you back next time. All right, y'all. It's all love, nothing but, and always is. Blessed is he.
What if I told you that we're just angels in flesh? Would you point and laugh and try to put that to rest? What if I told you that we need to climb these steps until he accepts? Would you try to hold me back? It's love and logic that you lack. In fact, karma's got your back, so you set your own trap. Perhaps a change of heart will change your ways, but nobody believes in love in LA nowadays, and it shows cause they goes where it pays. The price to sell a soul, or you know, put your faith in God and watch yourself glow through the darkness, and through the darkness I will grow.